To submit documents to Revolut for account approval, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your application is processed smoothly. Make sure you have all necessary documents ready before you begin. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store and create an account. Step 2. Navigate to the verification section. Once you are logged in, go to the Profile section. Look for the Verification or Account Verification option to start the document submission process. Step 3. Select document type. Choose the type of document you need to submit. This could include identification documents like a passport or driver's license and proof of address such as a utility bill or bank statement. Step 4. Upload your documents. Follow the prompts to upload your documents. Ensure that the images are clear and all information is legible. You may need to take a photo of your documents directly through the app. Step 5. Confirm submission. After uploading, review your documents for accuracy and completeness. Once you are satisfied, submit the documents for review. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your submission was successful. After completing these steps, wait for Revolut to review your documents. You will be notified via the app or email regarding the status of your account approval.